This is number 2. It finds looking to find the measurements here, and these look like they're all referring to central angles. The reason why these are referred to central angles is because look, all the angles come from the center. So we're trying to find the measurement of CD. So where's CD? CD is this piece. Okay. All right. So we know that this entire thing is 90 because of this bar. So if that whole thing is 90, we can subtract 53 from it. 90 minus 53, that gets us 37. So this piece is 37 degrees. Then next, we want to look at this angle, which is just AB. Notice that this whole thing goes through the center, so it's the semicircle. So that means this whole part has to add up to 180. So what we can do then is take the whole semicircle minus 79 minus 53, and what we're left over is that arc part. So 180 minus 79 minus 53, that gets you 48. So this part is 48 degrees. Then we have ED. Where's ED? Okay, so ED, which is this part only. Okay, I can see that it is that 180, which is that green part. This whole thing is 180 plus this part, which is 37, should get, and then I can subtract that from 360. So I have that 360 minus that 180 part, then minus that small part of 37. That should get me what is left over in my purple. So 360 minus 180 minus 37, that gets me 143. So this purple part is 143. Let's look for EB. EB, where is EB? Okay, EB is right here in blue. That is just the 79 plus 48. That is 127. EB. Let's look for BD, BDE, B, D, and E. That is made up of 53 plus 37 plus 143. It's made up of those three pieces. 53 plus 37 plus 143 gets me 233. Okay. And then let's now take a look at DEC. D is right here. E and C. Oh, well, that looks like that is just 360 minus that red part should get me what's left over. So 360 minus 37 gets me 323. 323 degrees. All right, there you go.